Hello, and welcome back to BlueHat CyberSec Academy. In this video, we will explore the next topic from Security Principles, which is included in Domain 1 of the Certified in Cybersecurity exam by ISC2. And, it isn't just for exam preparation. It's also perfect for anyone interested in building a strong foundation in the world of cybersecurity. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video, which was about strategic risk management. In this lesson, we'll explore three key areas. Number 1, threats, vulnerabilities, and likelihood. Number 2, risk identification. And number 3, risk assessment. This video isn't just for exam preparation. It's also great for anyone looking to build a strong foundation in cybersecurity. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you haven't already, subscribe to BlueHat CyberSec Academy. Your path to becoming a cybersecurity professional starts right here. Now, let's begin. To start off, let's talk about threats, vulnerabilities, and likelihood. Tourists are popular targets for pickpockets. The existence of pickpockets in a crowded tourist spot is a threat to the people gathered there. That threat applies to everyone in the vicinity, even other pickpockets. If you are in the vicinity, and a pickpocket has identified you as a target, you are facing a threat actor whether you know it or not. The approach and technique taken by the pickpocket is their threat vector. Let's say the pickpocket chooses you as a target because they see that it will be easier or more profitable to steal from you. Maybe you are distracted, have jewelry that is easy to snatch, or appear weak and less likely to put up a struggle. In other words, you appear more vulnerable than the other tourists, and the pickpocket feels that they can exploit that vulnerability or weakness. Now that we understand the basic elements of a risk, let's move on to the next topic: risk identification. So, how do you identify risks? Do you walk down the street watching out for traffic and looking for puddles on the ground? Maybe you've noticed loose wires at your desk or water on the office floor. If you're already on the lookout for risks, you'll fit right in with other security professionals who know it's necessary to dig deeper to find possible problems. In the world of cyber, identifying risks is not a one-and-done activity. It's actually a recurring process of identifying different possible risks, characterizing them, and then estimating their potential for disrupting the organization. This involves looking at the organization and analyzing its unique situation. Security professionals know their organization's strategic, tactical, and operational plans. Security professionals are likely to assist in risk assessment at a system level, focusing on process, control, monitoring, or incident response and recovery. If you're working with a smaller organization, or maybe one that lacks any kind of risk management and mitigation plan and program, you might have the opportunity to help fill that planning void. So, the key points to remember about risk identification are: identify risk to communicate it clearly. Employees at all levels of the organization are responsible for identifying risk, and identify risk to protect against it. Let's move on to our final topic in this lesson: risk assessment. The analysis performed as part of risk management. A risk assessment incorporates threat and vulnerability analyses and considers mitigations provided by security controls planned or in place. Risk assessment is defined as the process of identifying, estimating, and prioritizing risks to an organization's operations, including its mission, functions, image, and reputation, assets, individuals, other organizations, and even the nation. A gas-based system may be the best solution to protect the systems, but it might be cost-prohibitive. A risk assessment can prioritize these items for management to determine the method of mitigation that best suits the assets being protected. The result of the risk assessment process is often documented as a report or presentation given to management for their use in prioritizing the identified risks. This report is provided to management for review and approval. In some cases, management may indicate a need for a more in-depth risk assessment to be performed by internal or external parties. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the momentum going by checking out the next video in the series. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to BlueHat CyberSec Academy.